Hey there! In this video, let's see what is sales pipeline and how to create sales pipeline for your business. A sales pipeline is a visual representation of the various stages in a sales process. Now, let's see how to create a sales pipeline in Pepper Cloud CRM. After logging into the CRM, click on Settings icon and navigate to Customization option. Click on Module Pipeline and choose the Business module. Here, I'm choosing to create a pipeline in the Opportunity module. As you can see here, there is already a ready-made default pipeline available. Let me create a new sales pipeline here by clicking on the Create New button. I'm adding the necessary details such as the pipeline name, stage names, and the corresponding winning probability percentage. These percentages helps in accurate sales forecasting. And now, I'm enabling Rotten Timer toggle. This allows us to set stage-wise ROT by days. The opportunity should move to the next stage within this time. If not, they are considered as rotten opportunities, and their chances of converting into successful sales deals decrease. Let's save the pipeline that we have created. Here is our new sales pipeline. Similarly, you can also create multiple sales pipelines based on your business requirements. Now, let's see the same pipeline in the Business module. In the respective Business module, you can choose the pipeline to view the records in it. Now, let's add an opportunity to the pipeline. Create a new opportunity by adding the necessary details. We can add the opportunity to the required pipeline by selecting the pipeline from the drop-down. In this case, we are choosing the pipeline that we just created. Save the record in the pipeline. You can see the new opportunity in the pipeline stage. Here, you can move the opportunity from one stage to another as it qualifies through the pipeline, and finally close a deal by moving it to won or lost, depending on its status. Here I'm moving the opportunity to 1. You can view all your won opportunities in here. Explore sales pipeline and get started today.